Hi guys, hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, Tenzin here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave because I post vlog about my daily life, little things that make life beautiful. So today's vlog is something little simple but fun. We're doing an Amazon unboxing. I finally got my order and honestly, it took forever to arrive because you guys already know, currently I live here in Jebu Monastery guest house, Mundgod, South India. It's a really peaceful place. It's also kind of remote. So every time I order something online, it takes extra time to get here. So here's what I ordered. Ding, 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 ding. Two shampoo from L'Oreal Professional Paris Absolute Repair. I bought two shampoo for myself. Yeah, they have put sellotape here just to avoid leakage because it travels so far from Bangalore to this remote place. Yeah, I bought these two. This shampoo is Absolute Repair, more content protein and omega-9. It's for instant resurfacing for dry and damaged hair. Since I have a very damaged hair and colored hair, I think it's going to work on my hair. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try both of them. I already used their Vitamino Color L'Oreal Professional Paris shampoo and hair mask. It's for colored hair. I bought these two when I was in Bangalore and I paid like 845 rupees for each one. This line of shampoo is quite expensive here in India. And this one I paid 790 rupees. This is more expensive than this one. Yeah. And then let me show you what I bought. Ding ding. I bought this one. This is hair mask. I have to use after this one. After shampoo, I can use a hair mask, leave it for like 5 or 10 minutes. It's similar to this. It's content protein and omega-9, instant resurfacing for dry and damaged hair. So I can give a try. This is kind of good and I'm thinking to have a more protection for my hair. So I bought this one. I paid 990 rupees for this one. And this is 975 rupees. This is a little bit expensive than this. And then finally I got this one as complimentary. This is Absolute Repair Protein and Gold Quinoa something. It's a mask, hair mask. And then I have this serum. And here's the bill from Amazon. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy hanging out with me, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And if you are new here, don't forget subscribe and join our little YouTube family. I see you in next vlog. Take care, stay positive and love yourself always. Thank you. Bye for now.